So one of the most important processes in your new home process is who is going to build my house and will they work with SIPs? It's a good question because not a lot of people have ever worked with SIPs. They're about 2% of the total new construction market. So when you're looking for a builder, you want to go out initially and let them know that you want to work with SIPs from the beginning. Some builders may not even be willing to look at it, so you want to make sure you've got one that's open-minded to trying it. And you want to find one typically that is going to be a very conscious builder as far as making sure they're following the detail to make sure it's a nice energy efficient build. High performance builders typically are your best bet for one that will want to work with SIPs. And a high performance builder is one that's building a home that's going to be super energy efficient, super strong, something along those lines. But it doesn't have to be necessarily a high performance guy. It just needs to be someone who's willing to look at it. Could be a girl as well, quite frankly, who's willing to look at it and willing to follow the details and try something different. It's not that difficult. We do have some videos on how to put panels together. You just have to pay attention because it's just going to be a different process than a standard construction. But essentially, anybody can build with SIPs. But we're willing to help you. We're happy to talk to your contractor if they have questions about how to work with SIPs.